nice and easy coming down pit lane. So the light's green, that means we're good to go on track. If you just press one of the pedals for me, that pops it into manual for you.
Okay.
Okay, and then as we come around this corner, just starting to build up the speed. Perfect, and then remember, keeping to the right hand side of the white line.
Yeah.
And staying right. Perfect, nothing coming, so over to the left now. So all the way over. And then hard on the brakes, down 2 gears. It's okay, don't worry. Turning it in, and now feeding in the power nice and smooth. Keep to the right a little bit more. Now through the king, turn in. And then straight, keeping left though. And then brake, small brake. Turn in. Brakes, and then feeding in the power nice and smooth, and then full power straight. Perfect. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Left brake, left start. There we are, down again. The other brake, now come off the brake. Let the car roll, wait on the power. Off the power, wait. So if you jump on power a little bit early, that's what happens. Pushes the car out a little bit too wide.
Yeah.
So you just got to let the car roll through the corner. So watch the wheels on the right hand side here. Just keep going. Now hard on the brakes, down 1 gear. A bit harder, and then off. Perfect. And now gentle with the power through this bit, so turning right. Feeding the power in, keep to the left. So hold it there, turn in. Not too much. And then go. Good. So remember, quick corner coming up, so we're going to keep going. And now brake. And then come off the brakes and let the car roll through the corner. Just let it roll. Turn. And now feeding in the power, so go past on the left, they've seen us, so put a little bit of power now. Keep left, and then hard on the brakes. Down 2 gears. Turning in, off the brakes, let the car roll. No power. Now feeding in the power. Turning in, keep left, and then small brake. Off the brakes, turn in, let the car roll. Now feeding in the power, and then go. That was good. And keep going at the speed. Going. Down 1 gear. Stay on the brake. Now come off. Let the car roll through the corners. Keep turning. Wait. Now feeding in the power. And then go. That was good. Over to the right, watch the wheels. And then hard on the brakes, down 2. A bit harder, and then off. And then turning right. Now starting to build up speed. Keep to the left now. So stay left. Now turn in. And then go. Good. So we're going to keep going. Now brake. Now come off and let the car roll. Now feeding in the power. Go past on the left. Go. And then hard on the brakes. Down 1. Off the brakes. Let the car roll through the corner. Turn a bit more. There we are. And now turn into the left. Careful with the power, keep left. Go. And then small brake off the brakes. Turn in. Feeding in the power, and then go for the straight. If you just keep to the right hand side for me.
Okay.
So follow the car and keep to the right. And then just take it nice and easy coming down into the pit lane.